Sit to stand is the most common transfer, so we're gonna focus on that. First, make sure the person scoots all the way forward in their chair with their feet under them, as much as possible. Then set up the device so the front handlebar is in front of the person's feet, like this. Then have them grab the handlebars and stand up, as intuition tends to take over by now. Grabbing the front handlebar, like Marcelina is doing here, is the easiest way as it offers a ton of leverage. Note that she was a two-person transfer before S3. Some may need a little cueing like I give here with Betty in memory care by gently applying pressure to her triceps to just kind of get her going. And then there are those who prefer one hand up, one hand down approach like Louise here. Hey, whatever works. Finally, David uses a pure push transfer when he finds the upper handlebars they don't work for him. In some cases, the only thing that's predictable with transfers is setup. From there, let people find what works best.